Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your man B. I am the brand once again. Just wanted to rap to y'all real quick. You know, I need answers, man. I see y'all still on this flat earth crap. You feel me? I just got into a debate with your man Bro Sanchez or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Good. I guess he a good brother. You know, he doing things on here, he doing big things. You know, but he's pretty much the type of brothers I be talking about on here. You feel me? In the conscious community, brothers who don't do proper research. You know, but you know, claim that they have the hidden knowledge that nobody else have and stuff like that. That's lame. You feel me? Like, and then it's funny because during this debate, like, and this is what a lot of these brothers do. They'll mute you. You know what I'm saying? After you make your point, or when you're making your point, they'll mute you, and then, you know, they'll try to, you know, dismiss what you're saying while they mute you, and then they won't let you answer, and then they'll talk over you when you make a point. You feel me? So this is just some of the stuff that I've encountered in a lot of, you know, and a lot of reason why I don't really get with any particular groups. You feel me? Because a lot of the leaders of those groups do the same thing. You know, censorship is all through it. But anyway, let's get to the meat of this subject. Flat Earth. It is some total BS, Slim. And I'm telling you, as soon as you say you believe in flat Earth, you discredit yourself. Straight up. It has been thousands, like 2,000 years that people didn't know that the earth is round, is a globe. Like, from back in the Greek times, people knew the Greco-Roman period, people knew that the earth was round. Islamic scholars knew the earth was a globe. You know, navigators and explorers, they all knew the earth was a globe. Come on now, let's be serious. Don't what's the word I'm looking for? Don't conflate a lot of ancient religious dogma with applicable science. You feel me? Applicable science. Y'all are looking at ancient Hindu scriptures, and y'all are looking, which, in all honesty, if you look at ancient Hindu scriptures, it blows out the flat earth, you know, model. But anyway, if you y'all looking at these ancient Judaic scriptures, and you know these and y'all looking at these ancient Roman scriptures and stuff like that, and you know, it's been thousands of years since those scriptures have come out. But like, going back on the ancient Hindu scriptures, the Bhagavad Gita and the Mahabharata, you know what I'm saying? Like, read those, and I guarantee you wouldn't think the daggone earth was flat. Like, seriously, young, like, y'all tripping. That's another thing. A lot of us aren't well read. You know what I'm saying? A lot of us watch documentaries and then think, you know, and then it gives us an emotional tie, and you know, that's what we latch on to, you know, without actually putting in the work and the understanding to actually, you know, fully understand the concept or the science behind what's being claimed. You feel me? You can read on perspective, and you'll see that, you know, we are so small compared to the earth that we're gonna see everything is flat. You know what I'm saying? You can look up the colors of light and see that we don't even see in all of the different light. We don't see in the different shades of light, like what is it? Man, my fat fault. I'm having a brain fart right now. But you know, light such as infrared and stuff like that. We don't see stuff like that unless we use tools. You feel me? So, you know, we got to understand that we've come a long way, and our senses can only give us so much information that we had to make tools to enhance our senses, such as telescopes, such as microscopes, such as infrared vision, such as X-ray vision. You feel me? So these are tools that we use in order to enhance our senses so we can perceive the world more objectively. And when you look at a lot of, like I said, you can look at a lot of the applicable science, applicable technology, and it blows the flat earth concept out of the water. But one thing for me that blows it out the water, because anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Light is the main telltale sign that the earth is the globe and not flat. You feel me? You go into a dark room. You simulate. We use models to, simulate how we believe the earth is, or how the earth is, or, how you believe the earth is, or we use models to show how, particular things are. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a model and simulate what we believe the earth is. So go into a dark room, lay down a flat surface. Lay down a flat surface that you believe is the size of the earth. Then what you do is shine a light onto that surface. Shine a light onto that surface. Whether you make that light big, whether you make it small, whether you make it far away, whether you make it close. Everybody on that flat surface will be able to see that light. Everybody. This is the main factor that tells you that the earth is a globe. Because it doesn't matter if you make a small little light and shine it over top of a flat surface, or it doesn't, and you make it far away or close to it. It doesn't matter if you make a big light that's far away or close to it. Everybody on a flat surface is going to see the light. Now, we know for sure that half of the earth is illuminated at one time. At least half of the earth is illuminated at one time. So, if half of the earth is illuminated at one time, why don't we see the light when it's night? But on a flat surface, you will be able to see that wall of light in the distance that's making it daytime. You will be able to see that. If you can't see it through your naked eye, you will be able to see it through a telescope. Because the light is going to be shining. But if you're on a globe, it's being blocked. Blocked by what? The globe curve. Simple as that, y'all. Like, it's as simple as that. I don't know how to make it more simple than that. If you go into a flat room with a flat surface, make a flat surface, shine a light on it, no matter where a person will be at on that flat surface, they will be able to see the light, no matter how big it is, no matter how small it is, no matter how far it is, no matter how close it is. Everybody on that flat surface will be able to see that light. And then you got to consider that half of the earth is illuminated at one point and half is not. So the other half that is not will be able to see a wall of light in the distance, or at least use a telescope to see a wall of light out in the distance. We cannot do this. So therefore, the earth is not flat. The earth is a globe. And I mean, we could keep it at that, but I mean, of course, like I said, navigators, astronomers, engineers, architects, I can go on and on. Sailors, maritime merchants, like airline pilots. I mean, come on, man. Physicists, like surveyors, like it goes on and on. All of these people, all of these professions, independent professions, you know, base the science off of globe Earth. All of them. All of them. All of them. Why? Because they use gravity, globe Earth science. Why? Because they use G-force. I mean, it's stuff like that they consider. You know what I'm saying? What else? They use the time it takes for the Earth to rotate or to revolve around the sun in order to, you know, to launch vehicles into space. You telling me all these satellite engineers and all these NASA engineers, all these people that work on satellites, they don't know what they're talking about? Come on now, let's be serious. Let's be serious, man. Y'all gotta do better. You feel me? Y'all making people look ridiculous. Americans look ridiculous thinking this flat earth crap. But, you know, I'm not gonna wrap y'all up too much, man. It's your man B. I'm the Brand and I'm out. Peace.